Hey, it's Mason from UPW Capital. Please take note of the risk disclaimer. Everything provided in the video is strictly for educational purposes. Please also hit the subscribe button, like and share the video with your friends and your family. Price action analysis, November 2021. I will cover the following: USDZAR, EURUSD, XAUUSD or gold, NASDAQ 100, and finally UKOIL or BRENT CRUDE. Looking at the 16.70000 level, you can see price pushed into the level and moved away. We can call that resistance. If we reach the 16.7 level again, and we get a rejection candle followed by an engulfing candle, this could signal to us that price may be attracted to the 15.3 level. If you look at the 15.3 level, you'll see we have multiple rejections. Now let us look at another example. Should price push into the 15.3 level and give us a rejection candle followed by an engulfing candle, we could say that price could be attracted to the 16.7 level again, or we could look for buy opportunities. Let us look at another projection. Should price close above the 16.7 level, we could say price could be attracted to the 17.8 level, and if price closes above the 17.8 level, we could say it's attracted to the 19.0 level. EURUSD weekly chart. In our case, we've had multiple reactions at the 1.15000 level. You can see we had resistance, multiple resistance levels. Also had support. If price moves into the 1.15000 level and it gives me a rejection bar followed by an engulfing candle, this could indicate to me or give me any clue the price could be attracted to the 1.05000 level. Let us look at other projections. If price closes above the 1.15000 level, we could say price could be attracted to the 1.20 level, and furthermore, a close above the 1.2 level, price could be attracted to the 1.24 level. Let us look at gold daily chart. Looking at the past, you can see from September 2020, price has been ranging between the 1900 level and 1700 level. In our case, we have a rejection bar and price has closed below the 1800 level. I actually favor the downside, and price could be attracted to 17 or 1700 level. Should price close above the 1800 level, we could say price could be attracted to the 1900 level. Let's look at NASDAQ 100 daily chart. My favorite pair or favorite instrument. At the 16,000 level, price was actually supported and pushed higher. So it pushes in to 1600, or rather 16,000, and moves higher. We are now back to this level. If I get a rejection bar followed by an engulfing candle, this will give me a clue the price could be attracted to the 16,500 level. Let's look at different projection or another projection. Should price hit my stop loss if I took the trade at the 16,000 level? Should it come to the 15,500 level and give me a rejection bar followed by an engulfing candle, we could say this signal or this clue indicates that price could move higher to 16,000 level and furthermore potentially to 16,500 level. Let us look at UK oil weekly chart. Looking at our resistance level right here, which is the 84 level, price pushes in and moves away. Again, we have an identical pattern. Price pushes into this resistance level and moves lower. We could have actually used this trade to our advantage. If you look at our candle right here, let's call it X, and our previous candle Y. The combination of these candles form a pattern which I love. I normally call it the 3-bar reversal. It looks something like this. And you could see that we could actually be in profit if we traded this pattern right here. Now in our case, price is at 72.815. Again, looking at this level, you can see we have resistance, another resistance here, another resistance. You can see multiple R's. If price gets converted to support at this level of 69.00, again, if we get a rejection bar followed by an engulfing bar, this would be a clue the price could be attracted to the 84 level. Now, let's look at a different projection. If price pushes lower than 69.0, this gives me a clue the price could be attracted to this level right here and this level right here. Now look at this level right here. We have a R for resistance and we have support levels. Call it S for support, and price could actually be supported at this level. Again, looking at this level, we have support again, so price pushes in, moves away, then we have another support here, another support here. You can see multiple support levels, so we could actually have a support level at this area in the future. So we've come to the end of the video. Until the next video, goodbye.